Hello everybody and welcome to Marketing 100. My name is Neil Mayers and I'm going to be your professor for the course for this semester. Now that you're in the course, the first thing I'd like you to do is go to the discussion board tab, go to the Let's Introduce Ourselves forum, follow the instructions and say hello to everybody else in the class. Point of note, this will be one of the, I think only 2 times in the class where I'm going to send you directly to the discussion board. The next time won't be till the very end. But for this time, go to that discussion board tab and introduce yourself. Now, marketing is ubiquitous. We are faced with marketing messages every day. We have probably all worked in marketing in some capacity, whether you realize it or not. Certainly if you've worked at Geico or other positions like that, you've worked in marketing. But if you have worked in a restaurant, you've done marketing. If you've raised money for a cause, if you've done marketing. If you've applied for a job, you've done marketing. My goal for this semester is to demystify and decode this for you and make you want to learn more. Now, in terms of office hours, I am happy to just talk with my online students directly as often as they need to. You'll find my office hours posted on Blackboard, and it's really going to help you most with the days and the schedules I'm going to be in which campus, because I'm going to be at Fredericksburg main campus, Stafford, or Culpeper most weeks. So if you go to that, you'll kind of be able to follow my schedule. If you need to talk to me directly, we can pick one of those days you'll see on there to do so. If you want to talk via phone, we can do that almost any time, but the key is going to be sending me an email to set an appointment. Now, a little bit about my background. I was a marketer in the business world for many years. After grad school, I spent the first 5 years of my career at Kraft, or General Foods at the time, finished as a brand manager. From there, I spent 7 years with Cadbury Schweppes, finished as the marketing manager for Cadbury Beverages Canada. And last but not least, before I started my own business a number of years ago, I was a vice president of sales and marketing for a $300 million a year industrial services company here in Culpeper. And as I said, had my own business for a number of years. OER. This is an OER class. Now, what it stands for officially is Open Educational Resources. What it means is there's no textbook that you have to pay for. All the reading that you're going to need, all the written content is going to be found online. Now, in addition to savings, that's obviously an advantage for people that prefer e-reading. But I would stress that this does not mean that reading the material is less important. In fact, it may be more important. So you're still responsible for reading the information, and you're probably going to want to print out certain selected materials as you need them during the course of the semester. Now, in terms of where things are in Blackboard, the majority of our time is going to be spent in this Weekly Modules tab. So you're going to see most of what you need any given week, and I'll discuss the specifics of that in a moment. Right above that, you're going to find the syllabus, which is going to give you the schedule of what weeks we do things in. You're going to want to print that off. In addition, faculty information, as I said, give you my schedule, let you know where I'm going to be. There's a tab below that on how to build a PowerPoint presentation. Business communicates in PowerPoint. It's going to help you to learn how to use it. If you haven't done much with it, or if you need some help, or if you'd like some help, a couple of great, and they're brief. They should only take, you could go through that whole thing in 20 minutes. I'll give you some great steps on how to build a great PowerPoint presentation, as well as below find other student resources and Blackboard help. As I said, most of the discussion board work we will do will be launched from the weekly modules, not from that tab. Now, the first thing you need to do is, once you introduce yourself, is you're going to go onto the Succeeding with Waymaker tab in weekly modules and submit the release and take a look at the overview. From there, jump into module 1. Now, every week there's going to be a couple of things. First of all, there's going to be reading and preparation. There might be a couple of different sets of that, but I might put some other on there as well. But there's going to give you the background information modules that you will need for the course. And in addition, in many weeks, in 10 weeks out of the 16, there will be a discussion board. It will give you instructions. It will also could well include a video or two for you to view, but it's going to be on selected topics for the course. You will be able to launch into the discussion board forum directly from that link there. You don't have to go back out and go through discussion board. In addition, if you scroll down there, below there, there could also be a presentation that you need to present or need to submit. That will give you the link there to submit it. As I said, there could be some videos on here that you're going to have to view as well. And then at the very bottom each week is going to be the quiz. The module information is all of this information, the reading to be done, the discussion boards, the quizzes, the presentations, anything that's due for that week must be done by Sunday night at midnight. Now, the quizzes will be 30% of your grade. There will be no midterm or final, but they will be 30% of your class grade. You'll get 2 attempts and the best score off of those 2. You want to check your best answer versus all that apply, and all 3 could be possible. And there's, as I said, there's a separate tab for this official quiz. Now, the grading is, just to give you a quick overview, the weekly quizzes are worth 30%, the homework's worth 50%, and then there's a final project, which is a PowerPoint, which is going to be due at the end of the semester. It's about 15 pages long. It's also going to basically ask you to give, as if you were a consultant, some marketing recommendations to somebody opening a business here in the community. Grade Center, of course, will be then done out of 1,000 points. Now, a couple of important notes. OER means no textbook has to be purchased. It does not mean no reading. You want to stay current and with the information. Make sure you look for that final project that's going to sneak up on you. Many of you are going to wait until late, and you're going to regret that. So you're going to want to start. That's a big project that's worth a lot of points. You're going to want to make sure you get a good start in that. And PowerPoint, let me know if you need any help. Last but not least, what to expect from me. I can tell you that this survey results that I'm going to give you are representative of what I get every semester. Most of my students participate. If you ask them for this particular class, 15 students, how much did you have to put into the course? 12 said either a lot or a huge amount. So they had to invest a lot, but from that, 15 out of 15 said they got a lot or a huge amount out of it. You're going to put a lot into this class, you're going to get a lot out of it. Everybody said I treated them fairly, and the course overall got excellent ratings, or excellent or good ratings. With that said, I love this topic. I look forward to sharing that with you over the course of the semester, and please reach out and let me know if there's anything I can do to help you as we go along. Talk to you soon.